Hello everyone. Today we are going to look into chapter 2 measurements exercise 2.1 in sum 7 first one. Here the given sum is a circle of radius 120 meters is divided into 8 equal sectors. Find the length of the arc of each of the sectors. A circle is given. It is divided into 8 equal sectors and the given radius of the circle is 120 meters. Given radius of a circle is equal to 120 meters and the number of equal sectors is 8. We need to find the length of the arc of each of the sectors. We know the central angle of the circle is 360 degrees. So to find the central angle of the sector, we need to divide 360 by the number of equal sectors, that is 8. So 360 divided by 8. Theta is equal to 360 divided by 8. Theta is the central angle of the sector. Now 360 divided by 8 is 45 degrees. So the central angle of each of the sector is 45 degrees. Now we are going to find the length of the arc of each of the sectors. We know the formula to find the length of the arc. It is theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r units. We have already found the theta. It is 45 degrees. So 45 degrees by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r, that is 120 meters. Now we can cancel 45 ones are 45 eights are 8 ones are 8 15s are is 120. Now you can multiply 2 into 15 into 22 by 7 meters. 2 into 15 is 30 into 22 by 7 is pi value. So it is pi. We can write this as pi meters, that is 30 into pi is equal to 30 pi meters, or you can take the value of pi, that is 3.14, and multiply by 30. So your answer will be 30 into 3.14 will give you 94.2 meters. This is the length of the arc. Let us look into the steps once again. Given radius of a circle is equal to 120 meters and the number of equal sectors is 8. First let us find the angle of the sector. That is, central angle of the sector is 360 degrees divided by n. n is the number of equal sectors. So 360 divided by 8 is equal to 45 degrees. Now the length of the arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r units. It is 45 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 120 meters. Now you can divide 45 ones are 45 eights are is 360, 8 ones are and 8 15s are 120. So it can be written as 30 into pi, because 2 into 15 is 30 and 22 by 7 is equal to pi. So 30 into pi will give you 30 pi meters, or you can multiply 30 by the value of pi, that is 3.14. It is equal to 94.2 meters. Thank you.